Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to learn numbers 0 through 5. We're also going to look at some number mats. On these number mats, we're going to look at different ways that we can represent a number. And we're also going to read some funny stories about our numbers. We're going to learn about numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When we start counting, we start at 0 and we're going to work our way up to 5 like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count with me this time? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look at this chart, it shows us the amount that each number represents. For example, for the number 0, there's no dots because 0 is nothing. For number 1, there's one black dot. For 2, there's 2 dots. 3, there's 3 dots. For the number 4, we have 4 dots. And for the number 5, we have 5 dots. Let's look at the number 0. Sometimes 0 can be confused for the letter O. They look the same, but this is the number 0. 0 is spelled Z-E-R-O, and our picture is blank because 0 is nothing. Now let's look at the number 1. 1 is spelled O-N-E. How many octopus can you see? I see 1. Did you count 1 as well? Now, can you tell me what number comes after 1? 2, that's correct. 2 comes after 1. 2 is spelled T-W-O. How many turtles do you see? Let's count together. 1, 2. I see 2 turtles. 3. 3 comes after 2. 3 is spelled T-H-R-E-E. Now let's count our tractors. How many tractors do you see? 1, 2, 3. I counted 3 tractors. Did you count 3 as well? 4. 4 comes after 3. 4 is spelled F-O-U-R. How many fish do you see? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 fish. Now what number comes after 4? Yes, 5. 5 comes after 4. 5 is spelled F-I-V-E. Now let's look at our flowers. Let's count how many flowers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 flowers. Now let's go back to the number 0. This is the number 0. Our number mat for the number 0 shows us the number and the word 0. 0 is spelled Z-E-R-O. To represent the number 0 on our fingers, we do this. That represents 0. Our domino is blank. There are no dots on it because it's blank to represent 0. Our number bond shows us the number 0, and since it cannot be broken down to smaller numbers, it is left blank. Our 10 frame doesn't have any red dots. That represents the number 0. The story of Dino Zero. Dino Zero wanted to be a hero. He saved one zebra from drowning. "Help," said the zebra. "I will save you," said Dino Zero. Dino Zero is now a hero, friends forever. 1. This is the number 1. Can you say 1 with me? 1. On our number mat, we see the number 1 and the word 1. 1 is spelled O-N-E. To represent 1 on our fingers, we do this. 1. Our domino shows 1 black dot that represents 1. Our number bond has the number 1, and it can be broken down into 1 and 0. 1 and 0 make 1. Our 10 frame shows 1 red dot that represents 1. The story of Agent 1. Agent 1 lost his son. He looked high and low. Agent 1 found his son on top of a bun. "Here I am," said his son. 2. This is the number 2. Can you say 2 with me? 2. Our number map shows us the number 2 and the word 2. 2 is spelled T-W-O. To represent the number 2 with our fingers, we do this. Now let's make sure. 1, 2. Our domino has 2 dots on it to represent the number 2. Our number bond has the number 2 and it has 1 and 1 at the bottom because 2 can be broken down into 1 and 1. 1 and 1 make 2. Our 10 frame shows 2 red dots to represent the number 2. The story of Hero 2. Hero 2 needs new shoes. Which shoes should she buy? Will you help me decide? My favorite are the bunny slippers. I think she should get those. What do you think? 3. This is the number 3. Can you say 3 with me? 3. Good job. Our number mat shows us the number 3 and the word 3. 3 is spelled T-H-R-E-E. To represent 3 in our fingers, we do this. Now let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3. 3. Our domino has 3 dots to represent 3. Our number bond shows us the number 3, and 3 can be broken down into 2 and 1. 2 and 1 make 3. 1, 2, 3. Our 10 frame has 3 red dots to represent the number 3. The story of Robo 3. Robo 3 had a pet bee. Robo 3 had a pet bee. The bee had a pet flea. Oh no, said Robo 3, and they all lived in a tree. 4. This is the number 4. Can you say 4 with me? 4. This is our number mat for the number 4. It has the number 4 and the word 4. 4 is spelled F-O-U-R. To represent 4 in our fingers, we do this. Now let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Our domino has 4 black dots to represent the number 4. Our number bond has the number 4, and 4 can be broken down into 2 and 2. 2 and 2 make 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our 10 frame has 4 red dots to represent the number 4. The story of Lizzie 4. Lizzie 4 had a great roar. Roar! She often wondered if she was a lion. Perhaps she is. 5. This is the number 5. Can you say 5 with me? 5. Our number mat shows us the number 5 and the word 5. 5 is spelled F-I-V-E. To represent 5 with our fingers, we put our hand up like this. Now let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Our domino has 5 black dots to represent the number 5. Our number bond has the number 5, and then 2 and 3. 2 and 3 make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our 10 frame has 5 red dots to represent the number 5. The story of Jelly 5. Jelly 5 likes to drive. He drives to town with his friend Peanut. Their favorite food is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Yum! The end. Boys and girls, thank you for coming to learn with me today. Keep practicing your numbers 0 through 5, and I'll see you next time. Bye!